To be happy, how do you manage happiness? Now, please see. The biggest illusion in my new book, I have brought out a new book called From Frustration to Fascination. In Guru Purnima, my 113th book will be released. I brought out this concept. If you look at everybody, we are all interested in success. Please feel what I am saying. We are interested in success, success, success. Yes or no? But in the process of getting success, there is tension, 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 tension. See what is happening in the TV. In the process of getting success, 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 there is so much of tension, tension, tension. And the tension has become a habit to you. And when you get success, the tension by which you got success, you will not be able to enjoy success. एक आदत हो गया. Are you getting, sir? What is the use of that success? What's the use of success? Tension, 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 getting success. Now, if not success, there is failure. And failure also tension, 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 tension. So, either success or failure, there is tension, tension, and therefore, you can't even rejoice success, you can't even learn from failure. Lord Krishna in the Bhagavad Gita says, Siddhihi asiddhayoho samo bhutva. In your success, siddhi, asiddhi, in failure, samo, be calm, be open. When you are open, sir, there is no tension in your success. And when you are open to your failure is teaching you something. When your failure teaches you, there is no tension, because it is teaching you. Thomas Alva Edison, 900 odd times he failed in creating a bulb, and somebody said, Thomas Alva Edison must be a frustrated person. He said, no, 900 odd times I learned how not to create a bulb. You see? So therefore, can you go get success not with the bhumika of tension, not with the background of tension? Even when you meet failure, be open to failure. When you are open to failure, then there, please see, you learn from failure. When you learn from failure, you will be grateful for failure. I think Virat Kohli recently, in one of his things, he said, more than victory, he says you can learn from failures more. More from the mistakes you can. Virat Kohli said this. So therefore, can you have, while you are getting a success and you get failure, which is bound to be, if you can bring a platform of Lord Krishna says, openness, openness, then please see, you will position your success intelligently. You will not sacrifice the joy for getting success. As you are getting success, you will be working on joy. Then we get success, the joy will allow you to rejoice success. Appa. ख्वाहिश ऐसी करो कि आसमान तक जा सको. ख्वाहिश ऐसी करो कि आसमान तक जा सको. Desire in such a way you go to the sky. ख्वाहिश ऐसी करो कि आसमान तक जा सको, मगर दुआ ऐसी करो को खुदा को पा सको. ख्वाहिश ऐसी करो कि आसमान तक जा सको, दुआ ऐसी करो को खुदा को पा सको. यूं तो जीने के लिए पल बहुत कम है. यूं तो जीने के लिए पर बहुत बहुत कम है. जीवो ऐसा हर पल जिंदगी पा सको. Live in such a way, sir. Every moment should be joy. Are you getting, sir? And if you say joy, I want success. Now I am giving you a talk. Right? I want success that you understand. But the process of becoming successful, I should enjoy it. Not tension, tension, I have to give you joy and you get tense. Because so many humor artists have interviewed me on humor. And they privately tell me, Swamiji, making them humor, I got full tension. How do I release it? Sir, please set your brain clear. You want success? Let the journey to success should be joy. In this failure, you get akasmat, you get a failure. And failure comes, learn, and rejoice learning. Who has learned without failure? Tell me. Right? When you do this, sir, when you do this, your life is going to be very, very different. Are you getting, sir? Yes? It requires a tremendous sensitivity. And if you're sensitive, you will learn from success. Learn. And you will see just success is not what I want. The very journey of success and cashing success intelligently is what I want. जिंदगी मुझको सारे गामा सुनकर गुदगुदाती रही. जिंदगी मुझको सारे गामा सुनाकर गुदगुदाती रही. मैं खंबख्त उसको सारे गम समझकर खोजता रहा. What a beautiful thing. जिंदगी मुझको सारे गामा इज म्यूजिक सुनाकर गुदगुदाती रही. मैं खंबख्त दिस इडियट उसको सारे गम इज फुल सॉरो समझकर खोजता रहा. सर, योर सक्सेस एंड फेलियर इज सारे गामा. So if you are not intelligent, this will give you success, will give you stress. Failure also will give you stress. But if you are there, success will not give position. अरे सोच को बदलो, सितारे बदल जाएंगे. नज़र को बदलो, नज़ारे बदल जाएंगे. कश्तियाँ बदलने का ज़रूरत नहीं, दिशाओं को बदलो, किनारे बदल जाएंगे.